In 2025, tracking someone online is no longer just for hackers. It's easy for anyone. Every post, comment, and account you create leaves a digital breadcrumb, forming a map right back to you. With free OSINT tools, anyone can legally uncover names, locations, and more from public data. My goal? Show you what's possible so you can protect yourself online. We'll explore 10 powerful free tools investigators use and how you can use this knowledge to lock down your digital life. Let's get started. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. We do not support or promote illegal surveillance, stalking, or hacking. All tools discussed are legal, use publicly available data, and should only be used for ethical and responsible research, like cybersecurity training, digital investigation, or protecting yourself from threats. Now let's jump in. First up, Maigret, a username scanner straight out of a detective novel. If you reuse the same username across sites, Maigret can find your profiles on over 500 platforms in seconds. It links your gaming tag to your LinkedIn, Facebook, or even forgotten accounts. This is digital footprinting, connecting your online identities through a single username. Investigators can map your interests, social circles, and more, just from one handle. The lesson? Don't reuse usernames. Treat them like unique keys for different parts of your life. Using distinct usernames makes it much harder for anyone to build a complete profile on you. It's a simple change with a huge impact. Protect your privacy by diversifying your digital identity. Maigret shows just how exposed you can be with a single slip. Next up, let's talk about Eye of God, a Telegram bot that feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, almost like consulting a digital oracle that knows more than you'd expect. All you have to do is send it a phone number or an email address, and in the blink of an eye, it scours the internet, digging through public data sources, social media, and even massive breach dumps that have leaked online over the years. Within seconds, Eye of God can reveal a surprising amount of information: real names, links to social profiles, and even lists of leaked credentials. Sometimes it can even expose actual passwords that have been compromised in past breaches. Imagine this: you post your phone number in a Craigslist ad, thinking nothing of it. But someone could plug that number into this bot and instantly uncover details about your digital life you never intended to share. It's a powerful and unsettling reminder that just one piece of personal data can act like a master key, unlocking a whole chain of information about you across the web. To protect yourself, be mindful about where you share your main phone number and email address. Every time you enter them online, you're potentially leaving a breadcrumb for bots like this to follow. Consider using burner emails or temporary VoIP numbers for signups, newsletters, or any service you don't fully trust. This simple step can help keep your real identity more secure. And when it comes to passwords, always use unique ones for every account. A password manager makes this easy, helping you generate and store strong, random passwords so you don't have to remember them all. If just one password leaks and you've reused it elsewhere, a hacker could gain access to multiple accounts in minutes. Don't let a single weak link compromise your entire digital life. Eye of God is a wake-up call, showing exactly why these habits aren't just good advice. They're essential for protecting your privacy in today's world. Remember, your digital identity is only as strong as its weakest link. One careless moment can undo years of careful privacy practices. So, always pause and think before you share anything online. Every post, every form, every sign-up matters. The less you expose, the safer you are. In the age of digital oracles like Eye of God, your best defense is caution and smart privacy habits. Namechk is a fast, user-friendly way to check username availability across major platforms. Type in a handle and instantly see where it's taken or available. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more. It's perfect for mapping someone's main social presence or spotting impersonators. For creators and businesses, it helps protect your brand from copycats. For everyone else, it's a quick way to audit your own digital footprint. See if old usernames are still out there, or if someone's pretending to be you. Namechk makes it easy to spot risks and take action. Your username is your digital face. Know where it appears. Have I Been Pawned is a must-use tool for everyone. Enter your email or phone and it checks if your data appeared in any known breaches. You'll see which sites were compromised, when, and what info was leaked. It's a wake-up call. Most of us have been exposed somewhere. Use this info to change reused passwords and secure your accounts. For investigators, it reveals what data might be circulating on the dark web. For you, it's a personal security checklist. Patch your leaks before someone else finds them. IntelX dives into the deep and dark web. indexing billions of documents from places Google can't reach. It archives paste bins, dark web forums, Telegram channels, and even deleted sites. Investigators use it to trace emails, domains, or leaked data across hidden corners of the internet. IntelX can reveal connections and history invisible to normal searches. It's a reminder: deleting something online doesn't mean it's gone. Data is constantly archived and can resurface years later. Anything you post, even if you think it's private, could end up in a permanent database. IntelX is the internet's long-term memory. Be mindful of what you share. The web never truly forgets. Your digital past is always within reach. PimEyes is a powerful facial recognition search engine. Just upload a photo, and it scours the internet to find matching faces across countless websites. With a single image, you can unlock a vast network of connections, revealing where that face appears online. It scans news sites, blogs, public profiles, social media platforms, and even obscure corners of the web, returning links to every match it finds. The results can be surprisingly comprehensive, often surfacing images you may have forgotten about or never knew existed. Investigators, journalists, and researchers use PimEyes to identify people in photos, verify identities, or track where a particular image has been published. It's a tool that can help solve mysteries, but also raises serious questions about surveillance and consent. But the risks are huge. Imagine someone snapping your picture in public and then using PimEyes to uncover your entire online identity, including profiles you thought were private or anonymous. Your face becomes a unique search key, seamlessly connecting your real-world presence to your digital footprint. Suddenly, your personal and professional lives can be linked in ways you never intended. That's why it's crucial to be aware of what photos of you are public, where they're posted, and who might have access to them. Even a single image can reveal more than you expect. PimEyes demonstrates just how easily your privacy can be breached with nothing more than a photograph. The technology is impressive, but the implications for personal security are profound. Take control of your public photos and regularly review your privacy settings on every platform you use. Limit who can see and share your images whenever possible. The line between your offline and online identity is thinner than ever before. What happens in the digital world can quickly spill over into real life. Remember, one photo can open doors you never intended, exposing you to risks you might not have considered. Stay alert to where your image appears online, and take steps to protect your digital identity before someone else takes control of it. Social Catfish helps you verify identities and spot online scams. Search by name, email, phone, username, or image. It checks public records, social profiles, and breach data. Use it to reverse search dating app photos, check if a phone is real, or see what's linked to an email. It's designed to expose catfishers, but it's also great for vetting business partners or sellers. Social Catfish builds a verified picture of who you're really talking to. It's a practical tool for protecting yourself from deception. Don't trust, verify. Use it to see what's publicly connected to your own info too. ExifTool uncovers hidden data inside image files. Metadata like date, time, camera model, and sometimes GPS coordinates. A photo you post could reveal exactly where and when it was taken. Investigators use this to verify images, link photos, or spot edits. For you, it's a privacy wake-up call. Not all platforms strip this data. Before sharing sensitive images, use tools to scrub metadata. Be cautious with photos you email or post on personal sites. ExifTool shows how much you might be sharing without realizing it. Protect your invisible data as carefully as your visible content. Creepy specializes in mapping someone's movements using public social media posts. It aggregates geotags and metadata to plot locations on a map, revealing routines and favorite spots. Investigators can track travel patterns or daily habits over time. For you, it's a lesson in the dangers of oversharing location. Every check-in or geotagged photo is a data point for tools like this. Turn off geotagging and think twice before posting your real-time location. Your daily routine shouldn't be public information. Protect your whereabouts. Don't make it easy for anyone to follow your trail. Meet SpiderFoot, often called the Swiss Army knife of OSINT. This powerful automation tool is designed to build a complete digital fingerprint from just a single clue, whether it's a domain, an email address, or even a person's name. With SpiderFoot, you don't need to be a cybersecurity expert to uncover a wealth of information that's publicly available online. Simply enter your target, be it a website, email, or username, and SpiderFoot springs into action. It automatically queries over 100 public sources, including social media, public records, and technical databases. The tool then chains together all the data it finds, mapping out hidden connections and relationships that might otherwise go unnoticed. All this information is visualized in an interactive graph, making it easy to see how one small piece of data can lead to a web of related details. You can watch as the network expands, revealing links between people, organizations, and digital assets. Cybersecurity professionals rely on SpiderFoot to identify weak points in their digital infrastructure, but it's not just for experts. Anyone can use it to check their own exposure and understand what information about them is floating around online. SpiderFoot makes it clear just how easily public data can be pieced together, showing the surprising ways your digital footprint can be traced and analyzed. Think of it as the grand finale of OSINT tools, demonstrating how all these resources can be combined to create a detailed, comprehensive digital profile of almost anyone or anything. The sheer volume of public data SpiderFoot can access is staggering. Every search uncovers new layers, highlighting just how much information is out there for anyone willing to look. Learning to use tools like SpiderFoot is your first step toward better digital defense. By understanding what's discoverable about you, you can take action to protect your privacy and security. Don't wait for someone else to map out your life. Take control, investigate your own digital footprint, and lock down your personal information before someone else does. Anyone with internet access can uncover a shocking amount of personal info. No hacking required. The same tools that expose you can help you protect yourself. Use them to audit your usernames, check for breaches, and scrub hidden data. Knowledge is power. See your digital footprint from an attacker's view and clean it up. Privacy isn't dead, but you have to fight for it. Stay safe out there.